You want to stand on the resistance band with your front foot right in the center of the band. Put one leg forward, one leg back, both legs slightly bent, but put all the pressure and force in the front leg. Go ahead, turn it, and you want to get in a 90-degree angle. There we go. Slightly bend knees, abs are tight, chest up, wrists straight. You want to line up your elbow also with the center of your body. You don't want it forward or backward. Go ahead, push all the way up. Beautiful. You want to go in a triangular motion. Don't tap your hands. Go right before they tap. So go ahead. Beautiful. Come down till your arms are 90-degree angles. Okay. You want your elbows to line up with your shoulders. That's how far down you go. So breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Look at his neck. He's looking nice and straight. He's not swaying, not moving around.